Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and laying out a SIM ejector or small paperclip on a clean surface so you can work without losing parts. Confirm the tray style and exact orientation because side trays and back cover slots behave differently, which affects how you pull. Once identified, insert the ejector straight into the tray hole and apply steady, even pressure until the tray ejects. Do not twist or yank, because sudden force can bend the tray or damage the mechanism. With the tray out, examine how the SIM is held. A small lock tab, glue residue, or an edge caught on the tray lip are common causes. Use a plastic pick or soft tool to lift adhesive or stickers. Metal picks can scratch gold contacts and degrade signal, so avoid them. If the SIM is trapped, apply steady straight pulls while rotating the tray orientation slightly. Alternate small controlled movements until the card clears the lip. If the SIM looks swollen or warped, stop and preserve data rather than forcing it. After removal, clean the SIM contacts gently with a lint-free cloth and a drop of isopropyl if you have it. Allow the card to dry fully to avoid shorting. Reseat the SIM in the correct orientation, match the chamfered corner, and push the tray back smoothly until it clicks into place. Then power the phone on and verify network registration. If you still see no service, reseat and retest in a known good phone. If it remains locked, contact your carrier with the IMEI and SIM ICSID for remote unlock support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.